Okay, we're up in the shops, so you can see lots of French things. Let's see. We'll just kind of walk down the thing. French wines. Brasserie. Nicole La Mode. I don't know how to speak French, so. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Lunettes. So we're just gonna walk around. I have walked in here before, and it's a nice place. Not so busy. If you go into Venetian, it has canals and has like the same owner, Venetian and Parisian. But this one is usually quite quiet, like it is right now. But it's basically right next to Venetian, and Venetian is a little bit more centralized, so it's easier to explore. Eiffel Tower, okay. Let's see if we can find the main lobby. The main lobby is going to be over here. Okay, so a pretty cool floor pattern, isn't it? So I think this is going to be the center. I've been in here many times, but well, many times meaning like a dozen. I live in Macau, but I don't usually come here that often into this particular casino. There was a place, I think there was a place with a bunch of books that were all in French bookstore. And this is pretty famous right here. Oh, this upside down tree. Well, maybe it's been a year since I've been here, but I remember that this upside down tree was here last year. I don't know if they put it up just for Christmas, because it's that time of year right now. Nice pattern. So we're gonna try to go down there. Love Parisian. It's kind of cool. I have to remember how to get down there now. Let's just see. The trains. So let's just see. I think there's an elevator right here. Yeah, there is. Okay. So we're gonna go down and go back up. Okay, so now we're going down to the ground floor, so we're gonna go right into this big cool thing. So let's just see. So here we go. This is the ground lobby. This is the one that probably everybody films. Actually, it seems like I film it, but I don't know if I put it on YouTube before. But it's quite a sight in some ways. It is quite visual actually. But I could use my zoom camera to zoom in on all the details, but I think you have a pretty good sense of it. And also the lobby too. So we're just gonna walk around it a little bit, and we're gonna walk out. And outside is big Eiffel Tower. And the Eiffel Tower, I think people will go up there. I think tourists will go up there. I haven't been up there yet. I don't have a plan to go up there, actually. There's lots of places to see things from up above, so I don't feel like I need to go into that particular one. Chandelier up there. And we're just gonna... Oh, the Parisian bus also comes right here, too. Okay. Good to know. I just took the bus from the ferry terminal. Hello. So right there is the Eiffel Tower, and you can see some other buildings in the background. Once we get up here a little bit, there'll be a different, better angle of it. Venetian is straight ahead. we're gonna walk by the Venetian next anyways. Taxis. So, okay. You're gonna be able to see it in a second. Yeah, nice fans actually. Those fans look really great. Now you can see it. Just take a look real quick. So yeah, actually, I don't know. Okay, there's a walkway, so you can take that walkway across. I see some tourists going up it right now. And then I guess there's an elevator. Yeah, there's elevators that go up to the top. So, okay. So yeah, that's the Parisian. Okay, the buses that go to the Macau Old District. Other ones that go to the airport. The airport is so close. There's the Parisian right there. There's a nice camera angle right there. And this one looks pretty cool. Let's walk right through the middle of it. So, okay. There's the Parisian right there, and this is the outside of the casino. So we're gonna stroll through here. Okay. So we're gonna walk right into Cotai Strip. Actually, the lighting is perfect right now. A little bit later, I won't be able to have such great lighting as I do at this particular moment. Last time I was here, there was a bunch of, I won't say, shouldn't say. I don't see him now. But last time that I was here, there was a bunch of like ladyboy types, not ladyboy, but yeah, ladyboys and prostitutes and kind of people that were trying to make a little bit of money. And I never really come down here, but I saw a bunch of them one evening, the last time I was here, which was a year ago. But I don't see them now. But a lot of people just like to hang out right here and just catch the views, I guess. It's a pretty cool space. So, okay. This is Cotai Strip, so we're just gonna walk down the Cotai Strip. And I guess I should focus on this beautiful space right there. So that's the Parisian. So yeah, the Parisian looks pretty cool at nighttime, doesn't it? And Cotai Strip all the way around. There you go.
Chiquinha